Hello YouTubers, how's it going in YouTube land? Hopefully everything's going pretty good for you. Just another day in paradise, right? That's what I thought. Well, we are still working on the 2.0 engine. This Neon broke a timing belt, and some of you might have saw the last video. Here's what's left of the timing belt. And it basically snapped it in two, and when it did that, these interference engines, and they like to bend valves, just like this right here. There's what's left of my head. I'm actually pulling 4 valves out, 2 exhausts and 2 intakes, and I had to order some parts, and there is one of the valves that are bent. Did a good job, and it really didn't hurt the head any. And there is a look at the head real quick, and on this side you can see where the valves are, and there are the 2 intakes that got bent that I'm going to be replacing, and the 2 exhausts over here that got bent. And other than that, there's nothing else wrong. The car didn't smoke, it ran great. That's just what happens when a timing belt breaks. Now, I'm going to show you the secret on how to repair engines and save a ton of money. A lot of people don't think about this. What I did, I went out and ordered a complete engine overhaul kit for the head. Now, it comes with gaskets, timing belts, and all that. Often, a lot of times when you just buy one part, you know, it could cost $15 or $20, perhaps, like this valve I needed. I needed 4 of these. I didn't see any sense in buying 4 of these when you can get a whole kit. Everything I will probably need, and I'll have some parts left over for about $120. These are about $15 to $20 a piece. So we're going to get into the meat here in a minute. What we're going to do, we're going to take this kit inside my little warehouse. We're going to open it up, and we're going to talk about all the goodies that we got. Okay, so let's get right into it here. Here's what we got. This came today. I got this kit, ordered it Sunday night, and it was here, believe it or not, 3 days later. The shipping was pretty fast. Alright, so she's pretty much open. Let's get this box opened up and look at all the goodies we got. Now, if you go on eBay, there's a lot of dealers. There are several types of engine kits. You can buy an engine kit with pistons, bearings, and rods and all that. Then you can buy just a gasket kit for maybe your valve pan cover, oil pan cover, stuff like that, some seals, or you can get a head gasket kit, which comes with a head gasket, timing belt. It really depends on what the manufacturer will sell you in your car. So the beauty here is I only needed 4 valves, which would have been $60 at the parts store. I got all this for $120. Let me show you something. Head bolts. We got a new timing belt, which is about $25 at the parts store. Intake and exhaust valves, which are $15 a piece if you buy them at the parts store. Do the math on that. 15 times 24 is what? And I'm not only going to use, I'll probably only use 4 because I'm not going to fix what's not broken. Here is some more seals. Here is Permatex. You know what this stuff cost at the parts store? Probably about $8 to $10. That stuff's not cheap. Then we get more gaskets down here. Smaller gaskets. We've got exhaust gaskets, intake gaskets. We've got seals. You see where I'm going with this. And here on the other side of this is the head gasket, which sits right behind this guy right here. So as we continue here, we got our head gasket, which is right here on the back of this. This head gasket alone is probably $25 or $30. Of course, I found out I have an extra head gasket, so I'm going to keep this for safekeeping because I seem to be working on a lot of 2.0s lately. We have our intake gaskets. We have an exhaust gasket. We have intake seals, exhaust seals here, but these sometimes leak. I mean, just look at the parts here that you get. This is a way to do it so you can save a lot of money on parts. We're not done yet. Look right here. We get a water pump. I kid you not. Now, I may have to use both hands here to get this open. We get the tensioner pulley, the bearing I should say. We get a water pump. This here is about $40. This is how I do a lot of my repairs and how I make money when I sell vehicles. Look at all that. Just amazing how much you can get in a box if you buy a kit when you only need maybe 1 or 2 parts. Then the rest of the stuff you can reuse later or just sell to somebody else. But typically I like to keep it so it's there when I need it. So if this is something that you do for a hobby, or even maybe you want to start a YouTube channel and fixing automobiles, this is the way to go, folks. I mean, you can't beat this. These valves are brand new. Look at this. And they even have the 3 grooves cut in that we talked about earlier. So I just wanted to show you guys, if you're going to be doing this, this is the way to do it. You can save yourself a ton of money. And also, before I end the video, these head bolts, you don't have to replace them. They're not required, but some manufacturers do require this on automobiles, especially the Chrysler 27 Intrepid, I believe. These head bolts, if you just bought these alone, are $50. So I'm really happy I got me some extra parts here to keep my little enterprise going. So there you go. Alright, there you go, guys. There's a look at the head one more time. And the engine, looks like I will be getting this back together in the next couple of days. I'm just going to basically replace the 4 valves and put it all back together. And I'm not going to use any parts that aren't broken. So, other than that, I hope you like that little tip. And if you do, give me a thumbs up, or hey, give me a thumbs down. It don't matter to me. So, until my next video, guys, thanks for watching. More tips later and updates, and have a good one.